Hey there, kawaiis. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how overspending can mess with your mind and what you can do about it. Ready? Let's dive in. We've all been there, overspending like it's no big deal, right? But hold up, because it can seriously mess with your mental well-being. Picture this: increased financial stress that makes you go, anxiety that's like a thunderstorm in your chest, and even a hit to your self-esteem. Not to mention strained relationships and the never-ending cycle of emotional spending. It's a roller coaster we'd rather avoid. But there's light at the end of the tunnel. To reclaim your mental well-being, it's time to build healthier spending habits. Start by tracking your expenses, setting realistic budgets, and curbing that emotional spending. Remember, it's all about regaining control and setting your sights on those important life goals: education, homeownership, retirement, you name it. Imagine this. By tracking your spending, you're not only easing that financial stress, but also taking steps toward your dreams. And those guilt trips from overspending? Say goodbye, because your newfound financial smarts will boost your confidence. So, kawaiis, let's break free from the chains of overspending. Take charge of your mental well-being, one wise financial decision at a time. And there you have it. The scoop on how overspending affects your mind and the simple steps to turn things around. Until next time, always keep your mental well-being in check. You've got this, kawaiis.